Oh, I'm going for it. Hello and welcome back to my workshop. I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. Do you guys remember Pop Rocks when you were a kid? How do you think they're going to go inside of resin? How do you think they're going to go, Dylan?
Oh my God, I'm hoping that there's a candy explosion.
Candy explosion.
Pop, 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 pop.
There's nothing better than throwing them in your mouth and you kind of just sit there with your mouth open a little bit, feeling the pop, 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 pop. Now, do you think resin is going to do the same thing? Or do you think it's going to be a bust?
Oh, I don't know, hey.
Is it going to colour it? Is it going to pop? All these questions.
What colour they are too.
True.
We don't even know. There's 3 different packets in here.
A 3-pack. I don't think I've ever seen a 3-pack of Pop Rocks.
No, neither have I.
It says assorted flavours. All right, I think we need to pull it open there, darling.
Okay.
Let's see what our flavours are. I don't know if I'm more excited to actually do this experiment
Or put some in your mouth.
or eat some Pop Rocks.
We've got watermelon, strawberry,
yeah.
and tropical punch.
All right. Watermelon. Dun, dun.
Don't like watermelon flavour?
No. Actually, that should be the one we use, actually. So then it doesn't matter, you know.
I wonder if they're green.
True. All right. Well, let's pop them open. Let's have a look. See what we got. All right. Are they green?
Oh,
Are they green?
no.
Oh, they're like the crystals.
They're red.
Well, I mean, that makes sense, doesn't it? Watermelon, red.
True.
All right.
I don't know why I thought green. Maybe because the packet was green.
They got you with their advertising.
They did.
All right, let's crack open the strawberry. I actually want to save this one to put inside so I can have while I'm watching TV. Now,
This one's gone a bit hard.
now it has been a while since I've had Pop Rocks. Do they turn into chewing gum? I can't
They
remember.
used to. I'm not sure if they still do.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a really good question. I don't know.
All right, let's have a look. Are these going to be red as well?
Oh, I think they will be.
Yep, that looks pretty good. All right,
Yep.
darling, you know what you have to do, right? Come on, we all want to see it.
I have to put some in my mouth.
Yeah, we all want to see it. We all want to hear it. Now, I probably wouldn't be shy. Put more than that. Come on.
All right.
All right, go straight in. Are they popping? Oh, that was a big bang. You kind of got to chew them a little bit, don't you?
Yeah.
All right, now sit it on your tongue. Is it doing anything? Oh. That's cool. Wow, that
It's
brings
like soft drink when you first pour it in your cup and you hear it fizzing.
all the effervescence. Wow, that brings back
And
memories.
it's not chewing gum, it's just candy.
Oh, it's just candy.
Yep.
Do you need a minute, darling?
I need a minute.
You need a minute? Okay, are we all good?
All right, I'm good now.
I was just looking inside of here.
Yep.
There is some fine powder in there.
There is. I'm thinking we put both packets in there.
Chocolate full, hey?
Yeah.
Both of them, all right. Now, do we think the resin's going to turn pink? I'm kind of hoping it does, hey?
Yeah, it should.
All right, well, as you guys know, we are running pot cam, so we'll be able to see what happens while it's curing.
Yep.
We are now going to mix up some Art Cast slow set. A 180 cup should be enough to see what's going on. Now, I'm hoping we see some sort of action.
Oh, gosh, I hope so.
Like, I don't know whether, because you kind of had to crunch it a little bit.
I did, yeah, but
to get it popping.
with the heat of the resin.
Oh, you think the heat's going to help a lot?
I think the heat will help.
Yeah, and I'm liking that that's got some fine powder in it.
Yeah, so we've got a bit of a combination. That's got some fine powder. That's got the bigger
Yeah,
chunks.
look at these. These are some real chunky pieces. Look at that. That's really chunky, hey?
Yeah.
I'm almost considering, do we give it a little bash up maybe, or do you think it'll be all right?
I don't reckon. I reckon we give it a go. Because, like we said, we've got the powder here and
Yep.
we've got the chunks, so we can see what both of them do.
Yeah, nice. Now, do you think they're going to sink, or do you think they're going to float?
I think they'll sink.
Okay.
Yeah. What do you think?
Well, I think some will sink and some will float, but I was thinking, do we add a bit of glue? Or is that going to inhibit our experiment?
I think that'll inhibit our experiment.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, we'll keep it just to plain resin
Yeah,
then.
I think so. And do we mix it or do we just pour it in and let it do its thing?
I think we give it a bit of a mix.
Bit of a mix?
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Now, do you think we should add a bit of glitter, or do you think there's going to be enough dancing with that stuff?
That's a really good question. Well, I think we should add some glitter.
Add some glitter? All right, I'll grab some. There we go, darling. Bit of glitter in there.
Right.
We'll set the mood.
It will.
Our disco ball.
That's right. Okay.
All right.
Do you want to just pour it in?
Yeah, well, you grab the stick out of the way and I'll pour them in. So that way we can see exactly what's happening here. Are they going to sink? Oh, I'm going for it. Oh, what are they going to do? This is... yeah.
Look like a little island. All right, let's put this one in as well.
All right, let's check it out. Number 2 going in. Oh, it is slightly a different colour.
Yeah, oh, it is too. There we go.
What about these ones here? Should we pop them in?
Yeah, why not?
Otherwise we might get ants, hey?
We don't want ants in here.
I remember when I turned the gobstopper on the lathe and I had sugar everywhere.
Yes. That was a big cleanup.
The comments were filled with, your workshop is going to be full of ants.
Yeah.
Do you know how many ants I got?
0, because we cleaned up.
0.
All right, should I poke at it and stir it a bit? Because some of them are starting to sink.
Yeah, put your stick in there, give it a poke. Oh, that's cool. I think that'll do.
That'll do?
That was a cool little ball you had there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you reckon?
I reckon we chuck it in the pot.
Okay. Let's hope we get a good pot cam, hey?
Okay.
Hopefully it's not too bright in there. I might adjust this light up a little bit. There we go. All right, darling. Let's put the lid on.
Alrighty.
We'll get some air in here, and then hopefully it can put on a show for us, hey? Okay, it is now the next day. Hopefully you guys got a good pot cam. We're crossing our fingers.
Crossing our fingers, hey.
Because we haven't seen it yet.
No.
We are going to let the air out now. Hopefully we have a good blank because we have to line it up with our past episodes.
We do.
You guys have seen the crayon, the glow stick, the hair dye, the mango, toilet duck.
Toilet duck, yes.
Which still has a hint of a smell, by the way.
Yes, it does.
If you watch us over on the Maker channel, you would have seen us giving that a sniff the other day. All right, darling, we need to let the air out and see if we have a good casting.
Yeah.
What do you think has happened?
Oh, I think the resin's gone pink or red.
Oh, you think it has coloured?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That'd be good if that has happened.
It would be.
And do you think there's going to be any solid pieces left? Or do you think they've all dissolved?
I think they've dissolved.
Actually, just quickly, have a look at this. We left these out overnight and look inside these packets. You can see there, the crystals.
The moisture's gotten to them.
The moisture has...
Which is why I think they've melted.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Do we have melted pop rocks? Oh, let's have a look. Oh, well, okay.
Oh, we don't.
We still have crystals in there.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that. They didn't.
No, and what's the darker dots?
That's burnt.
Burnt candy.
It's burnt candy. Look at that.
Wow.
That is definitely burnt candy. So hopefully you guys saw some action in there.
Gosh, I hope so.
There must have been some good heat.
Wow.
Because is that like caramelized? Is that basically it? Because it's sugar, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Yeah.
So we burnt sugar.
Wow.
And yet all these sunk to the bottom.
To the bottom.
And we did get a bit of a colour.
We did. It's not pink.
It's not. I actually think it's a bit of a mixture of the colouring on the pop rocks.
Yep.
And the resin heating up.
Definitely. Yeah.
All right. Now, I have a feeling if we try and get this out, that could be sticky.
Oh, you think?
What do you reckon? Well, it is candy.
Yeah.
Moist candy. And we can see what moist candy looks like in there.
It did have a coat of resin on it though, so
All right.
what are you thinking?
Yeah, let's give it some taps.
Yeah.
See what happens. It's not happening, is it?
It's loosened. It's come away from the bottom just a hint,
Okay.
but it's still stuck.
I'm going to grab you a blade, doll, so we can blade that off.
Okay.
Here you go, darling. There's a knife for you.
That's not a knife.
That's not a knife?
No.
I see you've played knifey spoony before then. All right, let's have a look. Is it sticky? Is it like giving your kids a lolly at the shops? How is it?
It's a little bit tacky.
Oh, it is?
It's a little bit sticky.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. A little bit of candy, but...
Yeah. But the middle there is...
it does have a hard
covered in
coating.
resin. Yeah.
Wow, so there we go, guys. Pop Rocks inside a resin. What do you think? Didn't quite... Well, it doesn't look like it did what we were hoping, which was some little pops.
Yeah.
Although
We haven't seen pot cam
we have
yet.
not seen pot cam yet, so maybe it did. Let us know down below what you guys think of this one. It's not bad. It's like some sort of alien planet in there. I think I could easily fix that up by recasting it in some resin.
Yep.
But I think it goes well with our other blanks.
It does.
We're getting a nice colour combo there, darling.
We are, aren't we?
You guys need to let us know, what do you want to see next? What do you want to see in hot resin
Yeah.
to, you know,
See if there's a reaction.
see if there's a reaction. What experiment can we do next? Let us know down in the comments. Well, we have come to the end of another amazing episode. Thanks to everyone who suggested Pop Rocks. I know it was a quite popular one.
Definitely was.
And we got there in the end, which was nice. If you guys enjoyed this episode, let us know by hitting the thumbs up. But please only do it if you feel this video deserves it. And of course, let us know down below what we should do next.
Yep.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you next time.
See ya.